got robes.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
It's gold. Have you seen like the mirror bit?
Hi. Gold. Where? What?
Like.
Who?
Hello.
What? Good choice, Rach.
Thank you.
Marble bathroom, we love it. The important things I have been saying, I'm in need of a coffee. Sorry, I can't get over this hotel, what the hell?
Hello.
I love it. The walls, oh my god. Rach picked this hotel, absolutely killed it.
Coffee. Cheers. Fucking pissed off.
Kitchen's closed.
No, they're not. How? It's 6:12.
Oh my god, it's not got like a handle, it's just a little... Ooh. Oh wait, is it normal milk? Both. Okay.
They didn't have any.
I was gonna say
He was like, oh, what? I was like, sorry. In France, you do not eat pussy, you drink straight from the cow. That's really good to be fair. Oh, okay. Sorry, yeah.
Alright. Okay, let's try that again.
What's wrong with you not drinking? Why do you have to knock against your teeth? Like, ugh.
No, please, I'm gonna wet myself. I can't do it.
It's good though. That's a very like soft latte.
Oh, it is.
Yeah. Stop it! Why does it just come out of you like that?
The tears, honestly. Good morning.
Oh, yum.
Woo! Okay, first things first. Oh. First things first, I'll beat your brain. Cheers.
Fresh. Right, so
That's the kind of orange juice that I need like every morning.
eggs.
Thanks, Mama.
Do we have any cell?
Good morning.
Oh!
Oh gosh, I don't think I've actually, well,
Yeah.
I've not actually started this vlog properly yet, but
Hi,
good morning. Obviously we're currently in Paris.
Paris.
So excited. We're actually here on a content trip, so we're currently doing some content for Misguided. It's why we're like halfway through makeup currently. We're just filming using all Misguided Beauty.
A couple of jobs together this month.
We do!
Lucky.
Oh, how cute are we? Currently on my second coffee of the day.
Good.
I'm also sick again. If you hadn't gathered by now, I am sick again.
Hell.
I don't actually know how, like, I keep getting sick before I'm going away, but like it has to stop because it is stressing
But
me
the thing
out.
is, you're not like super sick that it's like, right, like,
No, I'm not
obviously,
like
it's just
annoying. And it's like, Rach keeps saying to me, Hannah, like, you need to stop coughing. And I'm like, do you think I want to be coughing like this? Like, no, I don't. On the Lemsips, on the coffee.
just got that flu, cold.
Yeah, it's
I
not
had it,
COVID.
like, 2 weeks ago.
Like, yeah, obviously it's not COVID.
I forget that like other colds do exist.
I know. That's what I mean. I was saying this like when I went to Milan. I was like, I get paranoid about coughing because it's like everyone will just assume it's COVID.
No, there's
It's
a cold.
not.
There's just a cold going on. My mum was saying that everyone from my work has like got a little cold.
Yeah.
It's like a little, just like,
Yeah.
or like a.
Yeah, like this time it's like a runny nose and a cough.
Oh.
And like a bit of a headache, but
Oh, the coffee's probably not helping you, darling.
need the caffeine, honey.
Oh wow.
What can you do? But yeah, we're filming for Misguided at the minute, so we're just filming a little get ready with us. So you'll see that on Misguided's channel soon.
And then we can explore.
Got lunch. Oh my god, is it the place that we saw on TikTok? Yeah.
Literally, we had a place for lunch booked already. We're scrolling on TikTok. This fucking sorry, shut up. There's like this just cheesy parmesan bowl of just plain parmesan pasta came up, and the caption said like best pasta in Paris, and I was like, Hannah, went in the comments, found it. I was like, I booked it for 2 p.m. Sorry,
I'll be there.
I literally even commented on the TikTok, being like, hi Kelly, what's this called on the menu? Like, I need it. Thanks,
she replied
bestie.
as well, didn't she?
Just like, it's the obvious, like, it's literally cheesy pasta, and she was like, I think it's called like the tagliatelle formaggi. I was like, well, that I probably could have worked that out myself.
So yeah, we've got that booked for lunch. It's near the Eiffel Tower, isn't it?
Oui.
And then
Guys, I've got a beret.
we've got a busy day. We've got lunch, we've got content, we've got
It's kind of going content, lunch, content, dinner.
bed. Thought I'd just quickly actually say hello on this vlog whilst Rach is doing her liner.
My camera's charging.
Yeah. And then we're gonna get dressed and head out.
Bushy, bushy, bushy.
We're ready. The big reveal. Are you ready? Yay! Oh my god, I love it. We've unintentionally done like the same vibe here, so
I think that's right.
yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god, I love it.
I love it.
We've done like unintentionally the same vibe. We're both in like all black, high neck. This was the finished makeup as well. It turned out so cute. I have just changed to a red lip just because I feel like being all black, I was like, I want a pop of like something somewhere. So yeah.
It's your accessory.
Cheers. So pretty. Got our pasta, we've got the pizza. They've literally done a half and half for us because we said we were sharing everything, and oh my god, this sauce, so yummy. I mean, yes, it literally is just like creamy cheese, but like what more do you need? Cheers, mom.
Here's Luna. Her father's met her.
Coffee review.
It looks creamy. The lattes here have been top
Notch.
notch, darling. Pinky's out. Strong, but it's drinkable, which is quite scary.
This is today's makeup. I mean, literally the same as what I always do. But I've pink curled my hair today. I'm going to try and like keep these curls in as long as possible. We've got a couple of bits of content to shoot, so we're going to do that to, like this morning. I say this morning, it's literally the afternoon.
Is it?
I think it is. We stayed in bed for quite a while today, but I was like, do you know what?
I need it.
We needed the lie-in. We didn't go to sleep till like 2 last night. I'm not really sure why. We're going for dinner at Caesar's. So excited. And then we're going to Moulin Rouge tonight, which Rach has never been. So
And you know what, I thought suddenly that might be nice because then you can sit in silence.
yeah, I said that today. I was like, if I am mute today, it's because my chest is literally on fire. Like, I was coughing so much last night. Like, apparently I coughed on Rachel, which was not intentional, obviously.
It was a TikTok moment because you coughed on me and I thought something leaked or something, but then I could hear it was you and I was like, you're done. You're done. Like,
No,
gosh.
literally, like, she picked this bottle of water up that is like a full-on like glass bottle like this big and just handed it to me in bed and was like, I think you need to drink. And I was just like, okay. Hi girlies. I feel like I've hardly vlogged today, guys, but it has been one of those days. It's been, what a day it's been. But yeah, we had some like nibbles and stuff like that. We're just back at the hotel now. It's literally freezing outside, which I know is probably stating the obvious because it is winter. But suddenly don't know what to wear tonight. Obviously we're going to Caesar's and we're going to Moulin Rouge. I can't wait for a drink.
Should we just get fucked tonight? Because to be honest, we've not got fucked this whole time.
Right,
We're getting
you
up
say
at
that.
7.
Yeah.
Actually,
We're picking the wrong night to do that because we're literally our flight's at what, 10, 11? We've got an early flight tomorrow, so as much as I mean, yeah, fuck it. Whatever, get me a bottle of wine and I'll absolutely be there. We are near enough ready.
Work is done. Fucking
Finally.
hell. Normally we had a good balance of work and play, but unfortunately
This trip has been work. Rachel's just topping up her makeup as well. Can we just take a second for this necklace? I have this is the gold version. I also have it in silver. It's by Icy Season. Literally, she stocks the most unreal pieces, so I'll leave her Instagram in the description below. Just started packing as well, so hopefully that will be less of a job to do later. But yeah, I'm suddenly ready to like, it's party time. It's party time.
finally.
I'm ready to nibble something. Just got to Caesar. Obviously had to get a Pornstar martini. Give us a review. Is it? I mean, have you seen the size of the passion fruit over here? Sorry, like the lighting in here isn't great. Do you know what? It's actually really cute though. It's very like date night vibes. Barat has arrived. Give us a taste test. Always the face of happiness. Dun, 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 dun. We're here.
I feel like Hannah's taking me to this, even
even though we've booked it together.
Eye contact!
Rachel's got a crush. Anyway.
And he's bald.
You do love a bald man. Anyway, literally about to go in. We can't film anything, so updates to come. Are you excited?
How do I get to bed?
Right at the front.
Okay, so we've literally just got back. Genuinely had the best night. Like,
Your ass looks pretty fat.
does it?
I feel like you knew when things were coming and you kept looking at me to be like, here we go.
Here we go. No,
Here
so
it
like,
comes.
I've been to Moulin Rouge once before, but I've not been for like probably like 5 years. Rachel was asking me about it and I was like, I don't really know like how to explain it. Like, it's like a show, but I feel like so many different things happen. Like, there was a girl swimming with snakes, there was people on roller skates. Yeah, there was all sorts, but it was so much fun. Like,
You're entertained, I tell you.
yeah, and we need all of the costumes. Like, the wardrobe was insane.
the best part, I think.
Yeah, it was. But yeah, it's 1:30. I'm literally wiped. Like, I feel like we're both absolutely shattered now. We're trying to like pack a little bit.
Before we sat down for the show, I was like, what time are we setting my alarm for tomorrow? It's 6:15. You were like,
I don't know what's happened, but we have turned into like full-on caffeine addicts on this trip.
it's very unlike me to be like that. But the espressos that they do here are very smooth.
It's
Look,
really
a
good
cube of
coffee.
sugar with an espresso.
Delicious.
Delicious.
We literally had like 4 coffees today. Are we okay? Not really. Is that healthy?
They were
Probably
different
not.
variations. You had a latte, no, you had an espresso macchiato for breakfast and I had a latte. Then we were like, let's have an espresso with the sugar. Did that. Then we went out for lunch and then had a coffee. And then we had an espresso martini with dinner. I don't think that's bad.
I feel like that's too much. Is there like a limit on how much coffee you should have? Or how much, not coffee, like caffeine?
It's not like you're literally pinging off the walls, is it?
No, but that's what I'm concerned about, because I'm like, I should have more energy than that. Considering we've literally had like 4 coffees. I feel like caffeine just doesn't really hit me anymore. Maybe it's because I have like energy drinks before I go to the gym.
Yeah, I am concerned.
Oh, I can't take my makeup off.
You can do it. I feel so much better. Do you know what? I've not been able to blow my nose all day, and that is what I'm about to do. And it's probably going to be horrific. But
I swear on my fucking life, if you sneeze, cough, interrupt this sleep that I desperately need.
no, but the thing is,
If it's a again, I will die.
that was right on me, and you smell like alcohol. You're drunk.
Do
Your
I?
breath just smells like alcohol.
I was rosé.
Yeah, true. I didn't have a single drink whilst we were out at Moulin Rouge. I was like, I feel like I'm gonna die.
Do you know, when you said I'm not having a drink, I was like, "Charlotte, that's probably better because when you're ill and having a alcohol actually makes you ill." I was gonna say alcohol actually makes you ill.
And I feel like if you got a sore throat, like it genuinely does just like fuck you.
your immune system's going at the moment.
You just whipped me in the eye with your.
Are you fucking being serious? Did you get that on camera?
Probably, like I'd already stabbed myself in the eye with the micellar, and then you just went.
To be fair, your lashes turned up. Get it back. Oh.
Help me.
Always come out.
Oh,
Okay,
is it?
fair.
Was it a bad one? Or was it?
Just one. Oh, you got fluff.
Thank you. Oh, your hands are warm. Thank you. Anyway, Moulin Rouge was worth it.
Yeah.
I enjoyed. It was seeing your face when the snakes came out. Like that was my favorite thing.
Guys, she tosses them round. She's like
dives in a pool.
She's
with
in
all
a
these
pool going,
snakes.
no, with these pythons, like, no. I was like, babe, if that turns around and goes, do you know what?
Fuck this shit.
Yeah, I've had enough.
8, 9, 10. That's like 3 hours and 4 or 5. That's really good.
Yeah. That's fine.
Right now.
I did that yesterday. What's that one?
Very good.
Oh, yeah. Girl, I love it. What did you do? I didn't even hear that. I didn't. What? Oh no.
Anyway.
I said, Hannah, I said I really like the,
Why?
Take it.
you know the one that's got the TikTok sound with Bad Baby's verse and it goes, da na 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 na. Blowing up his phone, I know it's tripping for no reason. I want you to like it.
Ah.
Like, I keep saying, like, keep telling Hannah to listen to it because it's like, blowing up his phone.
Sorry guys, it really is.
This is why you floss. Get steak out your teeth.
Oh, awful.
That's why you floss. I'm scared what's in your teeth.
I'm scared what's in my nose right now. What the fuck?
You're having a brain hemorrhage.
Yeah.
Does anyone ever get like a really hard bogey up their nose and it feels like if you were to go like this, your whole brain would come out? Guys, our toilet here wipes your ass. Washes your ass.
We are gonna go to bed. Peace and love.
Time to wash your tongue.
I hate brushing my tongue. Good night, y'all. Hope you enjoyed this video.